Hello everyone. My project title it's called the PDF editing. My project is a Python program that allows user to edit PDF files easily. My name is Mohamed Khaled Abdelwhap Mohamed. My GitHub username Mohammed1 Khaled 2. My username on EDX is Mohammed underscore 91007. My city is Egypt and my country is Cairo. The date I recorded this video today is Wednesday and October 29, 2025. This is my presentation PDF editing. This project is my submission for CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. It's a Python based tool, CLI and GUI for manipulating PDF files. You can reverse the order of pages in a PDF, split a PDF into a specified page range, merge multiply PDFs into one. Features: reverse PDF reverses the order of all pages in the selected PDF files. Split PDF extracts a specified range of pages from a PDF file. Merge PDFs combines multiply PDF files into a single one in the order you specify. GUI user-friendly graphical interface run with project.py. CLI command line interface for advanced users. Unit tests: comprehensive test suite using PyTest. All processed PDFs are saved in the output forward subfolders, reverse and split and merge, or on your custom output directory. Installation: you can get everything about installation on GitHub. This is the link of installation on GitHub. In this part I will explain how to run my project. First, open VS Code and go to the directory of my project, and first I open the command prompt and write the command python project.py. After running the command, the GUI windows appears like you can see here. In the main window we have three buttons: reverse PDF, split PDF, and merge PDF. Combines multiply PDF files into one. Each button opens a new window where you can choose your files and perform the selected operations. Overall, I really enjoyed building this project. I learned a lot about file handling, graphical interface, and software testing at Python. Thank you for watching.